Want to start shaving your beard but not sure on how to start? Here are a few tips for all you guys shaving for the first time. The most important thing is identifying when to start shaving. Ideally, you should only start shaving when you start getting a peach fuzz. A peach fuzz is that slight patchy beard and mustache grown as a teenager. Before we get into the shaving process, here are the products that are essential in the shaving routine. Face wash, Gillette foam or gel, Gillette razor, aftershave lotion. First, hydrate your skin with warm water. This will help open up your pores and soften your facial hair, preventing nicks and burns. Use a face wash to get rid of the oil, dirt, and dead skin, preparing your skin for a comfortable shave. Then take a small amount of shaving gel on your hand and apply it on the beard. Make sure you apply a thin, even layer of it. A thick layer will prevent the razor from reaching the hair, making your shave difficult. Before you start shaving, check the comfort strip on the razor. If it is white, it means your razor blades are worn out and have to be changed. If it is blue or green, it means your razor is okay to use. Gillette Mark III has sharper blades and a pivot head that takes the pressure of your hand away from the blades for better skin comfort and a cleaner shave. Use light, gentle strokes, letting the razor do the work. You are more prone to nicks and cuts if you apply too much force or try to move the razor too swiftly. The Gillette Skin Guard has a flexible head which adjusts according to your face, so it is easy to shave even the trickiest of places. Rinse your razor frequently to get rid of the excessive hair that might be stuck to the blades. So now the question arises, with or against the grain? The answer is both. Facial hair grows in any direction, so shave in the direction you are comfortable with. Ideally, shaving both with and against the grain should be good to get rid of the facial hair. Post-shave, wash your face with cold water. This will help close all the pores on your face, keeping your skin fresh. The last step in the shaving process is applying an aftershave lotion. An aftershave acts as a disinfectant and helps keep skin moisturized, making you smell good. And this is how you go about your first shaving experience. Tell us your first shaving experience in the comments below. For more such videos, subscribe to the Gillette India channel.